Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn about interjections. Interjections are words that express emotions or reactions. They help us show our feelings quickly and clearly. Whether you are new to learning English or just want to improve your grammar, this video is dedicated only for you and you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Let's get started. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a strong emotion or reaction. It can be a single word or a short phrase. Interjections are often used in conversations and are usually followed by an exclamation mark. For example, wow or oh no. Examples of interjections. Let's look at some common interjections in English. Here are a few examples. Wow is used to show surprise or amazement. Ouch is used to show pain. Oh no is used to show disappointment or fear. Yay is used to show happiness or excitement. Is used to show thinking or hesitation. Now let's see how we can use interjections in sentences. Wow, this is amazing. Here, wow shows surprise and excitement. Ouch, that hurts. Here, ouch shows that something is painful. Oh no, we missed the bus. Here, oh no shows disappointment. Yay, we won the game. Here, yay shows happiness and excitement. I'm not sure about this. Here, shows thinking or hesitation. Interjections can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. They are most often at the beginning. Wow, this is great. This is great. Wow. This is wow, great. Interjections can express different emotions. Here are some more examples. Happiness. Yay. Hooray. Surprise. Oh. Wow. Pain. Ouch. Oh. Disappointment. Oh no. Darn. Thinking. Well, now let's practice. Think of a situation and choose an interjection that fits. For example, if you just found out you won a prize, you might say, yay! If you accidentally touched something hot, you might say, ouch! To sum up, interjections are very important in English. They help us express our emotions and reactions quickly and clearly. Remember, interjections can show happiness, surprise, pain, disappointment, and thinking. Practice using them and you'll get better every single day. And thanks for watching. Now, here's a question for you. Can you write a sentence using an interjection that shows surprise? Drop your sentences in the comments down below and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video.